Best car insurance for 17-year-olds. If you're new to driving, it would be better unless you've countless money to begin with a car from a lesser insurance group. If you can build up and maintain a no-claims profile with no fine points, you must be able to lift the car insurance groups without considerably increasing your premium. The plan is that cheap car insurance for youthful drivers must be competitive because yours removes the middleman so the insurer can pass the reserves on to you. Though you'll have to do the groundwork, which can take a few hours, but it will be time well spent. You must call at least 4 insurance companies before choosing on a policy. And keep in mind that you can frequently save between 20% and 30% by going online. Many insurance companies present cheap car insurance for initial-time drivers online. So if you get a phone quote, then you require checking you're not missing out on an agreement which you can only get on net, even from the same insurance company. There is no scarcity of sites that will let you evaluate car insurance policies and prices between different car insurance companies. But to obtain the best probable deal, then you require spending a few minutes and ensure that you're answering the entire query correctly before you jump online. Do not think though that you can find a way with only looking at contrasts on one site. Every website only compares a little handful of insurance companies. If you truly and really want to ensure that you're getting the greatest deal possible on your car insurance, then you really need to bite the bullet and take the additional time to make the same comparison on at least 3 different sites. Also think adding breakdown cover to the policy if obtainable by the insurer, as this can save you lots of money in the long run and is usually pretty cost effective considering the peace of mind it brings. You can save £70, £150 by getting your breakdown cover this technique. So before buying cheap car insurance for youthful drivers, it would be shrewd to analyze the car insurance group that an exacting car falls into. This car insurance group categorizes cars in a certain level of insurance, and each car is allocating a group starting from 1 and ending at 20. Purchasing a car relative to the most reasonable group would be a more wise way to save funds on insurance.